Hi, this is Heath Ackerson with Doty Mechanical. We're here in downtown Lansing, updating some heating and air conditioning equipment that's located on the roof of a building that's approximately 30 feet tall. Now, what makes this installation a bit unique, other than the fact that we have to bring in a really big crane and shut down city streets, is this is the first in a series of upgrades that are going to convert this building to natural gas-fired heat. Currently, the building uses steam heat generated by a boiler that's operated by the City of Lansing. We hope you enjoy the video and tune in for future ones.